Judy.
And I'm Mark.
And we're Twin Palms TV. And today we are boarding the AMA Sonata for our very first river cruise. So come with us on this wonderful adventure. Welcome to the AMA Sonata. This is a beautiful ship and we are so excited for our 7-day cruise on the Danube River. This ship has a pool, it has an upper deck that we're standing on right now. There's a dining room, there's a lounge, there's beautiful staterooms, and it's gonna be a great 7-day cruise for sure. This ship, or any river cruise, holds somewhere between 190 and maybe 200 people. So it's much smaller if you're used to an ocean cruise. A river cruise has a much smaller amount of people, but it's intimate, it's wonderful, and you get to know all the passengers that are on the ship. Now for this particular sailing that we're on, they told us there's probably only going to be about 90 people on board, which is really small, especially if you're used to cruising on an ocean cruise. Even the small ocean cruise ships don't only have 200 people, let alone 100. So this is going to be a whole new experience for us. But there's a pool right behind me. I can spot a bar right over there by the pool. There's this beautiful sun deck, and it's a beautiful day here in Budapest to be able to enjoy the sun deck for a little while. And there's a lot of spaces to explore and a lot of things to do. So we're really looking forward to our cruise.
You're going to notice that there are bridges, and sometimes the water level's at a point where the top of the ship is a little too close for comfort for getting underneath a bridge. And they have this wonderful system here set up so that all these awnings can basically drop at the flip of a switch. And they all just tip, 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 tip. All this canopy here goes right down to get us at a lower level so we can sneak under the bridge.
First drink of the cruise. We'll start with a lemon drop. We'll see how it is. It's good. It's a little sour, but it's good.
Okay. Very good.
And what did you get?
I got a beer called Bitburg, and it's a local German beer, I guess.
How is it? Drinkable?
Oh yeah, it's good. It's good.
Oh, that's good.
Now we're going to enter our room on the river cruise on the AMA Sonata.
You can just have the key. Now it's 20 and you
Come on in.
Yeah. Wow.
This is the room. It's beautiful. We have a beautiful bed right here, and then we have a balcony. And we have a little veranda sitting area that opens up. There we go. That opens up like that, so you can open up this window. Or we have a balcony we can walk out to. And then we have our bed. And then over here. And then we have our bathroom right here, which is a lovely long bathroom. It's funny. A lovely long bathroom. There's a shower stall, and actually a really nice size shower.
Beautiful.
Compared to even an ocean cruise. Nice shelves in there, and we're all set, and that's our bathroom with a beautiful robe. Right over here with a safe and slippers and laundry services and things like that. And a closet right here with 2 umbrellas, one for each of us, which is nice. I think we might need them. And space for us to hang some things, space for us to put a suitcase. Right here is what we're going to be using on our tours. So they give you these audio devices. So this is what we take on our tour every day with us, so that we have audio as we walk through and learn about the destinations that we're in. So every room has one of these.
We just got to our room here on the AMA Sonata, and there is one row of cabins above us, and I believe one row below us. And if I had realized that we were going to be this close to the water line, which is probably, I'm thinking maybe 10 feet, I probably would have brought my fishing pole, because wouldn't that have been cool? I don't know, maybe they would have frowned upon that, fishing off the balcony. Feels good to be this close to the water though.
So as we're sitting here having our drink, I thought I'd share what we found out so far. So we've gotten into our room, we unpacked. The rooms are smaller, so if you're used to an ocean cruise, the rooms are a little smaller on a river cruise ship, which makes sense because the ship is smaller. And in this particular room that we're on, or ship that we're on, there wasn't a ton of storage space, but we made pretty good use of it. We maybe hung some things that we normally wouldn't hang up, but which is fine. The bathroom and the shower, I'm super impressed with, because the shower's nice and big. So I love the bathroom and I love the shower, and we'll make do with the space that we have. We've already unpacked. Everything's out of our suitcases in a way, so we did a pretty good job. Yeah, it worked out great. So we'll see how it is as we go through, but now it's time for us to relax and just enjoy sitting here and looking at this beautiful view and sipping on our cocktails while we wait for dinner, which is around 7 p.m.
I have our magnets. It's time to find what surface they'll stick to. Nope, 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 nope.
So I guess the answer is no.
Nope, nope, nope.
So they work on an ocean cruise.
Nope. Ha!
One little bit.
The little rim around the door, the trim.
Not that you could put anything there because the door opens and closes.
Right. Nope. No. Nope.
Okay.
So, guess the answer is these won't work on this ship.
Right. On a river cruise.
For the most part. On a river cruise. Okay.
Well, now we know.
Now we know.
The more you know. Dinner was really good. We couldn't really record anything because I'm here with a group of other agents, a group of other travel agents. And so we were all sitting together at dinner, so we really couldn't record, but we had a delicious steak. It was so good. It was done well. Yeah. Or it wasn't done well. Mark likes it done well.
I like it done
Mine
well.
was done medium rare, but it was done very well.
To her liking.
It was a really nice dinner, really enjoyable conversation. And so far the food has been very good. So we have been really happy on this cruise so far. If you find any of this helpful at all, please feel free to subscribe and like
and share
and hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions or any advice for us, leave it in the comments below. We're happy to answer any questions questions that you have, but subscribing to our channel helps our channel a lot. If you are interested in booking a trip like this, a river cruise, all my information is in the description below. Because if you don't know it, I am a travel agent and I'm happy to help you to book something like this.
Anytime.